Okay, welcome to all. Last video we learned how to convert black and white, how to keyboard shortcut for zoom in and zoom out, and pressing space bar. Thus, the icon change to hand tool. Then you can move the image within the screen. So in this, we are going to learn what is meant by a generative fill. Generative fill is an AI based tool. You can select one particular area, then you can put what item is required to fill on that area, flowers or things or pebbles or anything. Any prompt you can give, automatically AI will find out the image and place matching to that background surface. Sometimes it will not work properly in large spaces. Most of the time, the AI will work properly on small selection areas. So let's try the AI feature in generative fill of Photoshop. This will work only latest version. Here I am selecting this image. This is a coconut oil. I am pressing Control press. You can zoom it. Control minus you can zoom out. Nothing to do. Just open the image. Don't select any image. Just press Control button and plus. It will zoom in. Control minus it is zoom out. So I want to place something here. What I am going to do? This is the lasso tool. What the lasso tool will do, you can select it. I'm just selecting here. In generative fill, I'm saying add one coconut leaf. I'm pressing enter. Coconut leaf is added here. I'm selecting other area. So here I am placing coconut pieces. Press enter. So you can give three options. You can whichever the option you can select. I am selecting this. So here also we can add one more thing. One more we can add. Here also I am asking only coconut chips. Now you can see it is very easy and tool. Here you can here also three option you can select which one is okay. This is okay. One more is come. I think that this one is good. So now from this generative fill, you can easily click on one place. Then you can put your prompt. Automatically it is placed the image. Now one thing you can see that this has come up with layers. So here also options there you can select it, you can see the option. Here also I am coming. These options you can see. Here also you can come, you can select this, you can see the options. I think that this is better. So now you understood that how generative fill is working. Once it is done, you can file, you can export as PNG. So you can export this file as PNG. I'm just putting up save as. I will attach this image on your uh, video, training video. You can work on that. Very simple. First, you need to open the image through the lasso tool. This is the lasso tool. Select the area you want. Then generative fill. You can do the uh, prompt. You can write. Press enter. Automatically, it will work on that. Thank you for watching. We can go and learn in the next two.